Hey guys, welcome to the official channel of BdThemes. This is the second part of what's new in Element Pack Pro version 6 video. Enjoy! Right-click context menu. It's an amazing thing to see a beautiful pop-up menu on your entire website with a simple right-click. You can do this by enabling the context menu switcher under the Other Settings option in Element Pack Pro. Remember to hit the Save Changes button. Then go to your target page and then click the Site Settings button. Then find and turn on the context menu switcher from below. This is a full custom menu. If you want to show the menu on a specific page, click on the Display Only Specific Page switcher and then copy the page or post ID from the URL, paste it in the Page IDs field. Update and go to the preview window. Now click on your web page and the menu will pop up anywhere on the entire page. Of course, you can style your menu any way you want from the Style section. Static Grid tab. Static Grid tab is a fully customizable widget that combines a grid and a tab interface together. You can just add more grid items or click on one of them to start changing the image of the item. Choose anything from the media library, then edit the title. Just make changes to all items to have an awesome static grid tab interface on your display. Click and enjoy. Age Gate. Want to restrict underage users for your website? The Age Gate widget is the right solution for you. The new Age Gate widget lets you customize the layout of the widget by modal with scroll bar, followed by a time limit set for the Age Gate that reminds the user to verify their age again when the session ends. You can show or hide the header and footer of the model if you wish. Then you can change the header text and alignment. The modal content states the description text on the Age Gate widget, which can be also customized. Then you have the main form to set up the age restriction. Then comes the footer text area where you can put down any text you want as well as change the alignment. Next, you get to change the close button style on the modal, followed by a button delay control. Also a switcher to center position model. Don't forget that you can style the layout from the Style tab to add more text to it. Animated link. Who would not love to have animated links on their WordPress website? Just as you know, we have 16 unique animation styles available with the new animated link widget. Just go one by one and see how they each have a cool animation style to show off. Take your time, you are going nowhere. The text box is where you put the link text. Then comes the link field followed by alignment. From the Style tab, you can add colors to the link text, hover and style, not to mention padding and typography. Animated card. Introducing the new animated card that lets you show your product in a new exciting hover animation effect. Let's change the cover image first. Select a long image from the media library and insert it. Then customize the title. Leave the rest for now. Go to the additional settings, then change the item height first. and then the content max width using the scroll bar. Changing the image position on top of the background is also possible. Setting the contact max width to default here. Just take a look. Then use the Style tab to change the background color. That's how you do it. Brand Grid. This is a new popping grid widget for showcasing your brands and brand partners with a refreshing content animation. It's static, and from the menu you can change brand name, title, URL and URL text. Let's pick up image for the brand item. Then follow up on the others. Set image size to full here. Next, let's change the column gap and row gap with these scroll bars. You may hide brand names or link text with these switchers. The animation can be activated by hovering or clicking. Also, get your pop-up icon placed anywhere over the layout. Now check this out. Brand Carousel. The Brand Carousel widget is a follow-up version of the Brand Grid, which you can use to showcase your brands with style. You can customize the carousel very easily. Going into the items will let you edit the image, name, URL and URL text for each item. Let's pick up an image for the first one here, followed by the rest of the items. Go into the Style tab to change the image size in order to match the canvas. Next, some custom padding on both sides. Back into the content, you can delete items if you want. Be sure to choose decent image size for them. From the additional settings, you can change the item gap using this scroll bar. Then choose the animation on hover or click. You can also set the icon position. Let's set a different background color from the Style tab. Then some border around the items. Don't forget to change the border colors. Let's get some borders around the icons as well, just to suit the background. Thin down the border width and add color. You can also change the icon color too. Review card grid. Nothing beats a fully customizable review card grid. Add cards, set custom avatar, give name, change the rating, and add positive words for your products. Let's wind up the whole thing. Add all images first. Yeah, that looks pretty decent. How about not all 5 stars? Do as you want. From additional settings, let's change the row gap and column gap of the items. The rating could be stars or numbers, just as you prefer best. You can swap the rating position over the grid. Let's enjoy! That's all for this video. Please continue to watch the part 3 of the What's New Element Pack Pro version 6 video.